Oh no, Peppa is in a graveyard. One day ago, everyone was sleeping peacefully at home. Look, a sneaky wolf breaks the door lock with a screwdriver. Oh, he enters the living room and finds a yummy pizza in the kitchen.
Whoa!
Yum! He takes a big bite of the pizza. Uh-oh! Peppa wakes up and walks out of her bedroom. Hey! The wolf gets angry and catches poor Peppa. Help! George throws a big rock, but it hits Peppa instead. Wow, the wolf is very angry now. Watch out! The wolf jumps up with a long stick. Oh no! Yay! Daddy Pig puts a trash can on the wolf's head. Look! The brave panda police officer takes the bad wolf away.